share, and subscribe. And only thing go, them around down the block with the new X6 and the G-Shock watch. Yo, chain, the rules change so fearless with the white t-shirt and the Gucci vest. Yo, just guys, just like, comment, share, and subscribe. And when the badness go.
Mad, fully active, mad. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Right now, going outside. Yeah. You know what going outside? You know what going outside? I'm not gonna see what going outside, right? You know? Yeah, man. I'm gonna see what going outside, right? You know? Be right back. Yeah, man. So what going outside right now? Time to leave something. Then I come see what going outside. Be right back. Alright guys, I can't wait to go outside. Let's see what going on. Let's know me like a big kid. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I love when it snow, I love when it rain. I'm just like that, people. Yeah, so. Ready, boo boo?
I'm gonna put on the next thing.
Alright, so put on 2 sweater. Bubble up. Warm up. Warm up myself, the outside. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so. Alright, so this one now. Jaja. Yo, outside the normal, guys. Choke myself. Don't pay me no mind, me a madman. Hope it's not too tight. Love how I'm a little hot underneath there, so. Yeah, man. Go outside now. Be right back. Hey guys, so we have some snow tonight. Sunday night into Monday morning. Yeah man, so go down look at night view. See it there? Yeah man. Cool. It's cold guys, so look down the block while I go on down the block. Yeah, down the block. Yeah man. It's cold guys. When it's snow, it's pretty guy. Pretty guys. Pretty. Yeah man. So I'll go back in. Get ready to go on my bed. Yeah man. Cold out there. Yeah man. Alright guys, see you guys in the morning. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Lock back my grill. Yeah, man. Jaja. I'm out. How is the weather, man? Coming down. All right. Wow. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Jaja. Now who this? Andrew, where you going at clubs?
You think me want to get fried?
What?
Excuse me.
Where you going with that?
You think me want to get
Woo. Guys, look at this. We outside. Yeah, we outside. We outside. Yeah, we outside. It's a slow day outside. Yeah. Wow. Loving it. Loving it, boo boo. Angie at work, yeah. Angie at work, guys. Make sure you work. That's a woman for work. Yeah. Hello. I say you for work hard. I mean work hard all the time. Yeah, me work hard all the time. Inside, outside, everywhere me work hard. Yeah.
outside, not inside?
What you talking about now?
The only place you maybe work hard, I'm seeing at the bed. But nothing else.
At least me work hard somewhere.
In the bed and outside.
Yeah man, people, I say Angie, you're a mess.
Oh lordy.
So I go on down the step, you know.
It's so nice out there.
Yeah, work hard, man.
Woo. It's nice. This is very nice with us. Come on.
Step down there. Boom. Yeah.
So nice outside. Oh,
Eh?
I'm gonna throw salt.
No, it's not. No salt. No, it not stop snow. Just we're out here, just clean off where you clean off. So
Yeah,
later it not get worse. No salt. No, just a waste of salt. Can I go come back down?
Yeah, but at least it will be
Show
very
some for
easy.
me. Show some for me. You don't know use, man. Hold on. Show some for me. Yeah, guys, so we're outside. Having fun, boo boo. Yeah, we're outside, guys. I'm gonna make a snowman right now. Should I? Should make a snowman though. Yeah, I should. Can drop, man. Huh? To roll like a breadfruit. Can drop and roll like a breadfruit. You should have just drop and roll like a breadfruit. Why you do that for, Angie? Seriously? Why? Why? You make me cool. You can't. Angie, you can't do that. You can't do that. Angie, you can't do this. Angie, you can't do all this. Come on, man. Right now, Angie, look at my hand. You can't do that, man. I'm cold now. I have to go back inside. You can't do that. Jesus. You can't do that. You can't do that. Come on. I freeze now. You can't do that, man. I have to go back inside now. You can't do that. You can't do that.
Who cares?
You can't do that. You can't do that, man. And I freeze now. Oh, you have to do that just now. You can't do that, man. Could I? I have to go back inside now. I'm just come outside. Come here and... Oh, God. Look for me, man.
You want a gloves?
No. Keep on your gloves, man. I'll go back inside. Look for the wall of me. Could I?
Are you telling me to come outside, come to see?
You can't do that, man. Could I, people? Could I? Look there. I'm just come out here. Can't do that, man. See, a man nice to know there.
Ah. My back.
Loving the snow, bro?
No, right?
I'm like a big kid right now. Alright, I love it, man. I love it. People, Angie, are wicked. Yeah.
Oh my God, Shane, the back can't open.
Hmm?
The door can't open.
The back?
Nope. Nope.
Yes, strong girl. You could open it. See? Tell you you could open it. On the back. Huh? Where you going back, go do? Dogo dogo. Dogo dogo around there. Hmm?
This look like cone. Like garbage can.
Hmm?
Look like ice cream cone.
Look like my cone, right?
Whatever.
Yeah, like my cone.
This is a mess.
My cone, a sweet cone, you know.
Okay?
My cone.
You are a mess.
My cone. Huh?
You are a mess.
My cone is sweet. My cone is sweet sugar stick cone.
This is nice. Ooh.
Don't miss where I come from, guys.
Oh my God. Look where my son lives. It's crazy. Wow. Look. Downstairs. This is the backyard. It's crazy.
Jaja.
Wow. Nothing can go on around here.
I mean nothing can go on. Me alone around here.
Hey,
Me alone around here. Me alone around here. Yes, I
shut
will.
up. What you want to catch cold in your body?
Me alone around here. Yes, I will.
Oh, wow.
Guys.
This is crazy.
Wow. Nah, man.
This is madness. Wow. Over here outside is so white.
Hmm?
Coming like
White down. Out of white.
nice.
Look on this. I'm gonna touch this, my hand freeze.
That's our bar.
Hmm?
That's the bar.
I'm gonna touch that, my hand freeze.
Yeah. Crazy.
Look for Andrew.
Hi, Levi. Hello, Levi.
Levi, they are knock window.
Yeah, Levi, hi.
Well, Levi there.
Levi is in class.
Let's see if we find Levi, guys. Let's see if we find Levi. Oh my God. I'm going up there. Let's see.
Shane, you're gonna make it hard when you go step up there. Don't.
What?
If you go up there, then the snow gonna be hard to clean. Which we ain't cleaning it.
Not clean on yourself.
Nope. You only have to do the front, 'cause you know Sheldon now walk around here, so.
I'll leave right there a while ago.
We don't have a tenant anymore, so. Shane, you are disturbing Levi.
Where you at, Papa?
He's in class.
Papa? Where you at? Let me see your face. Papa Bear. Papa Bear in class, guys.
Oh.
And them are freeze right now.
Okay, honey, I think it's time to go in.
Huh?
Isn't it time for you to go in? It is coming down like crazy.
Coming down?
No, it's staying up.
Like me, right?
Shane, what's your problem?
Nobody
Look
know.
like them big teddy bear.
Nobody know what we are talking about.
Yeah, whatever.
Nobody have a clue what we are talking about.
Yeah.
Nobody have a clue what we are talking about.
Oh my God, it is like coming down like crazy.
Wow, that come down, guys. You see, ready, boo boo?
Yes, I am.
Run our backyard full of snow, guys.
Ready to go in.
Wow.
Outside is beautiful. Oh my God. Beautiful.
Huh? Jaja.
Wow.
And them are freeze right now.
Let's go in, honey. Woo. I am so warm. My feet is warm.
Yeah.
I promised to get him a boot from yesterday and I did not. Because remember, we remember snow.
Finger freeze right now, guys. Damn.
Alright.
Alright, so we are going inside.
Yes.
Alright, guys, we are going inside because it's cold out here. The tripod are wet up right now.
Bye, guys.
The tripod are wet up right now.
Only my neck. My neck
Go on
hurts.
in, go on in. Tripod are wet up, guys, so we have to go in right now. See the wind there. Fear wind out here. Everything will freeze up right now. So we're back inside. We're going inside now. It's down. Outside right now, guys. Our phones start freeze. Yeah. Go in there, man. Cha. Jaja. Everything I freeze up out there right now. Phone start drip water, guys. Jaja. Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man. See no there. Wet up. Jaja. I know. I have a drop off my body right now. Jaja.
Honey, come in.
Oh my God, star. Jaja. Oh. Alright, guys. So we are locked up right now. We are relaxed, you know. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one with Levi and I. Alright? Bye.
Everything's ever up now. King Benji. Oh, yo, Alio. Everything. everything's level up now. Everything's level up now. Mommy, everything's level up now.